Welcome to challenge number 5. Today is your last challenge. And I brought my little handy dandy arts and craft cards. I don't know about you, but I love my child to have some creativity and a sense of accomplishment so they can put what's in their head into pen and paper. After all, this is what I encourage in my classes. Today's challenge is going to be all about your art supplies. And you might have a full-on cart full of supplies just like I do, or maybe you just have a small basket. But what we want to make sure is that everything that we provide our child when it comes to arts and craft actually works. I want you to go through your supplies, and I want you to see, do you have enough glue? Like, can they even use this? Is it clogged? If it is, get rid of it, get a new one. Are your scissors that you have for your child, are they sharp enough, or are they going to be frustrated because they're going to try to cut something and they don't work, they are dull? Do you have enough paint in your do-a-dot? Do you have enough paper? Are they organized? Can they easily access some of the supplies that they can do? Do your markers have their tops on and they can actually use? Are your paint sticks still working, or are they all run out? Look, I think this one has a little bit, so this one's good. So understanding that if we want to provide creativity areas, we want to try to avoid the less frustration as possible. And that includes making sure that the supplies that we provide our kids actually work. It's okay if you have a small selection of arts and craft supplies. You just want to make sure that they actually have the ability to use those and that they actually work. So we're keeping today simple. Go ahead and go through your art supplies and make that Christmas list or the Hanukkah list of the things that you need to replace. Art and creativity is a critical piece in the early years. It's not about the worksheets, it's not about pen and paper, it's about the ability to explore the materials, to feel the paint, to understand, and to just really create, even if all you see is a squiggly thing on a paper. For them, that's their way to explore the world, to interpret what they see, and to put it on paper, on something tangible that they can see. Kids will often share their feelings through art and paint, and you want to give your child an outlet to be able to do that. So today's critical day, do not skip it. It is very important for early child development. So go ahead, look through your art supplies and see what is it that you need to replace and what things you can get rid of. And that's the end of our 5-day challenge. I hope this was very helpful for you. If you want to go ahead and understand how to set up your play areas for success, for development, for really encouraging that independent play, I do have a program. It's a 1-hour masterclass when we go through all the different areas that your playroom should have or that your house should have, all the different ways that you can showcase the material so that they independently play more, and everything else in between. How to store toys, how to do toy rotation, what toys to display, what type of toys to display, and what to look for when your child is playing. So if you're ready for the next step into creating this new year, the year that your child is going to play more independently, the year that you're going to use the toys and the areas and the materials that you have around to really encourage your child to play, to learn, and to get messy, and it's going to give you great benefits. It's something that you're going to be able to use now all the way through the years that your child plays with toys, and that is many. I'll see you in the masterclass.